Ground lentil, sabat masar, soaked in water for at least half an hour. Coriander powder, paprika, turmeric, kosher salt, cumin powder, dry mango powder. Going to dry roast on very slow heat. After 1 minute, I'm going to add. Now adding soaked lentil and 2 cups of water. Perfect. Mustard seed, cumin seed, peppercorn and sour red chilli. Green fresh herbs. 1 big onion, 1 inch ginger and garlic. 1 tablespoon clarified butter, ghee. Adding mustard seed. Oops. And cumin. After 1 minute, onion. After 3 minutes, I'm going to add red chilli. Garlic and ginger here. Adding some salt. Vinaigrette. Green stuff. Cooking after another 2-3 minutes on medium heat. I'm adding here boiled brown lentil. Let it simmer for 3 minutes and turn off the heat. Then it's gonna be ready for serve.